Hey there, how do you keep your pants up when you either don't have or don't want to wear a belt? Well, the team over at Beltroad sent over these no buckle belt pieces for me to try and give you my opinion on them. So they come in multiple colors. You need 2 of them because that's what makes it work. They are stretchy, they have 2 snaps on them, and they are adjustable with this piece. And this is how they work. So you take the 2 snaps and undo them. Then you put it under one of the belt loops and snap it tight. You do the same thing with the other loop. Snap it tight. Then you pull this to adjust it. To the size you need. Repeat the process with the other side. Then you have one on either side and no belt is needed. With that being said, I hope these no belt buckles help keep your pants up.